Hello, may peace be upon all of you. This is Salahuddin, and today we will discuss how to remove OBJ in a box in WordPress. I have copied a title and I pasted it here, and you can see a OBJ box here. So, how to remove this? Actually, first of all, we should know that what it is. It is actually invisible character, which means that there is something that cannot be displayed. So, this is an empty space. So, how we can remove this OBJ box from WordPress? The simple method for this happens when we paste text from anywhere else. So when we paste it, let me show you. Let me paste it again. Yes, sorry. Uh, Copy and paste. Here you can see this kind of code. What is this code? This is the code which is the style of that text. So if you want to remove this OBJ, the simplest method is to rewrite the text and rewrite it. For example, in title, let's rewrite this. What does OBJ? You can see. Sorry. What does OBJ? Okay, you should rewrite this to remove the OBJ box. The other method is whenever you paste a text, you should paste the plain text. For example, instead of pasting a text here in this box, you should paste it here. Let me show you. You can see now you can easily remove this from here. Okay, your text will be clean and you will not see OBJ. Actually, this is nothing, just it's a empty character. Hope this video helps you. Thank you so much.